Hello guys, this is Johnny Taylor, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to remove a scratch on your tail light without using a polisher. Alright guys, here we have the Passion. This baby got a scratch right here, and this is what we're gonna be trying to remove this time. So first of all, let's see what we need for that. Alright guys, here we have the 3M sandpaper for using water. This is the 2000 grit, and besides this we're gonna be using 3000 grit. That is basically the same, but with the 3000. Okay, here we have the polish. This is the one that I use. This is the name if you want to buy it, also the code, and yeah, this is the polish. Okay, also we have the Meguiar's cleaner. With this we're gonna give the perfect shine to the tail light, so we're gonna use it. You will see. Those are the products I use for this kind of works. They are really good. They have gave me a perfect finishing. So I'm gonna give you the link in the description if you want to get them, just in case you want. Alright guys, let's start with this. As you can see, the scratch is so deep. I can feel it when I pass my finger. That means that there is missing plastic there. So as I told you, first of all, we're gonna use the 2000 grit sandpaper, and in this case let's try to do it only on the scratch, because we don't want to polish all the tail light. So also consider that we're gonna do it with our hand, so let's try to do it only on the scratch. So there we go. Alright guys, the scratch has gone. Now I want to sand a little bit with the 3000 grit sandpaper, just for do it a little bit easier to polish. So let's do it. now it gets a little bit more shine after we pass the 3000 grit sandpaper. Well, now what is missing is the polishing, and for that we're gonna use simply a napkin with the polish, and you will see how it works. Perfect. The scratch has gone almost completely, because I don't know if you can see some marks that are here, so that's because the plastic was damaged, so we cannot cover that. But if you see it from here, it's perfect. You won't see the where was the scratch, and yeah, it's ready. Oh, and I forgot to pass a little bit of the cleaner, so I wanted you to see this, guys. There we are. Oh, perfect. Can you see that shine? So now it's ready. So guys, did you see how easy it was? You didn't have to spend a lot of money in a polisher just for you to remove a simple scratch like that. So please tell me, what do you think? Did you like this video? You can tell me in the comments. Also tell me if you want to know about another, car detailing, cleaning, restoring, about any part of the car. I think I have not knowledge about this, so tell me what you want to watch, and that's it. Thank you very much.